Hi, I'm Calvin, your coach for the Ear to Ear Magic running crew. Run Disney races sell out fast. In this video, I'll share some tips to give you the best chance of getting registered for the race you want. Just like we prepare for a race, we need to prepare for registration. This means gathering information and planning your day. First, take a few minutes before registration day to create or update your Run Disney account. Go to runDisney.com and click Help and Support, then Manage Account. If you have accounts at other Disney sites, use the same username and password here. When you're signed in, click your profile name at the top and choose Manage My Disney Account. Most of this information will automatically populate in the registration form, so make sure it's complete and up to date. If you're planning to run with other people, my advice is for each person in the group to try to register the entire group. This increases the odds that you get the race you want. Before registration day, make sure everyone has all the information they need to register everyone in the group. Maybe create a shared Google Doc. For every person you're registering, you'll need the following information: name, date of birth, mailing address, email address, and phone number. An emergency contact including that person's name and phone number. And t-shirt size. You can't complete registration without choosing your t-shirt size, so be sure to have this handy. Next, you'll need to plan your registration day. Registration usually opens at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, but double check at runDisney.com to be sure. Registration can take a while. What if it takes you more than an hour to register? Will you have other commitments during that time? If so, consider adjusting your schedule. Wherever you plan to register, how's the internet connectivity? If the power goes out in your neighborhood that morning, where can you go to do your registration? How will you pay? What if your credit card company thinks 6 registrations at Run Disney looks a lot like fraud and won't let your payment go through? Have another payment method ready just in case. What if the race you want sells out before you can register? Would you want to run a different race? Think it over in advance so you don't have to decide in the moment. And if you're trying to register the whole group, how will you stay in communication with each other during registration? You need to know if your buddy gets to checkout just ahead of you. Registration fees are non-refundable, so you don't want to register everyone twice. I know that's a lot, but planning ahead can save you a lot of stress on registration day. About 15 minutes before registration opens, go to the Run Disney site, click Events, find your race weekend, and click Register Now. Try to get into the queue from multiple devices, like from your phone and a computer. Once registration opens, you should see a page with a progress bar and a message that tells you how long before it's your turn. Your wait time is random. It could be 3 minutes or it could be 43 minutes. And join Chris on the live stream. He usually streams registration day and the community reports on any technical problems and what to do about them. While you wait in the queue, the bottom of the page shows each race that is already sold out. This is why it's good to think ahead about what you'll do if the race you wanted is already full. When it's your turn, follow the prompts to sign in, pick the race you want to register for, and enter your personal information. Some races ask for your anticipated finish time. When you get to that question, just pick the option that says proof of time not required so you can speed up your initial registration. If your time is better than that, you can update it after registration to make sure you're assigned to the right starting corral. For now, just keep moving because that clock is ticking. There are a few more questions to answer and then you can check out or add another registration for another race or for another runner. When you move on to the next step, you have a chance to buy souvenirs. My advice? Skip it. Watching your race sell out while you decide between the ornament and the magnet is a real heartbreaker. You can always buy them later. Remember, you're not registered until you finish paying and get a confirmation number. If you don't get an email confirmation within a few minutes, check your spam folder. You can also verify your registration in your Run Disney account. And if your race sells out before you can register, keep checking back. Sometimes additional spots open up later in the day. After you get registered, there are a few more things to take care of. Contact Ear to Ear Magic about booking your room for race weekend. When you submit your form, be sure to mention that you're running on race weekend so Chris and Susan can find you a good room with good transportation to the race. If your anticipated finish time is good enough to require proof, wait a few hours for the traffic on the Run Disney site to die down, Then sign into your account and locate your registration for the race. Choose the option for the correct time, and then follow the prompts to provide a link to your results from a race on a certified course with official timing. This will help you get into the right starting corral. There is a deadline on this, so don't put this off. If you want to buy race merchandise, you can order it now, or you can shop in person at the Run Disney Expo when you pick up your bib and t-shirt. And if anything changes in your personal information, or if you want to choose a different emergency contact, be sure to come back and make those updates at least 2 weeks before race day. I hope this video helps you prepare for your Run Disney race registration. Doing a little work ahead of time can help you be a little more prepared, and that could be the difference between getting registered and missing out. What questions do you have? What topics didn't we cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the course.